Hey, in this video I will show you how to save all your contacts on iCloud from your iPhone. This method works in 2023 to work in 2024, so make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's start. The first thing you want to do is go over to your settings app, and from there you want to navigate to your name at the top. When you click on your name, you want to go down and you want to click on iCloud right here. Click on iCloud. When it loads up, you have a bunch of options. Go down a little bit and click on show all right here. And here you want to click on contacts. You want to have it on. When you have it on off, it says what would you like to do. You basically have all your contacts removed from your iPhone. So when you have it on, it will actually save all your contacts from on iCloud, and you can actually navigate that and make sure that's the default option when you're adding a new contact. If the video helped you out, hit the like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And if you still have any questions whatsoever around this, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'd love to help you out. See you next one.